Hi family, today we're showing you guys this video smart lock. We're going to unbox it, show you guys everything that you get in the package. It's a nice box. Definitely make a great gift for someone. Alright, first off we get a full manual, how-to, cutting guide, and everything. Wow, that's pretty incredible. So it goes over the whole entire thing as well, the diagram. That's pretty cool. Let's open this up here. Alright, you're going to get all your accessories. You're going to get your USB for the chime, deadbolt, brackets, charging cable, your 2 sets of keys. So this is what it looks like. You have your doorbell right on there, motion sensor. Your camera is going to be behind here. Now we're going to keep that on just for the fact that this is going to be for a gift for someone. Easy to use. So what you do is you completely take off your door handle and everything. And this is going to be on the outside. This is going to fit inside your door, and you're going to put the cables through the doorway. And once you do that, you'll be able to set up this part as well. So this is going to connect in on the other side. And this is going to be, you just simply turn it to lock and unlock from the inside when you want to lock it at nighttime. And for this, again, it's just going to simply go through your door like this. So you're going to have it through the door completely. You're going to have it connected in. You're going to have it wired up, so hook up the wires and everything, which is very easy and simple to do. It's going to be in your door, and you're going to mount it on, and it's going to look like that. Of course, you're not going to see, the gap because your door is going to be in between. And it's just like that. So then someone presses on the door, opens it up. It's nice. You also have your finger touch for unlocking your doors. Well, and of course, they give you keys if you manually need to use the keys. And here's your battery pack. That is rechargeable, and you just simply pull out the battery pack every time you want to recharge your door. Pretty amazing.